Very good morning traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today I will post to you the live session. I was trying to connect with the YouTube live and due to some technical issue I could not go on live, so that I am recording the video before it happens. Okay, I am not doing replaying today. So I will explain you how to start trading with MST iCore 2.0. So go on to www.trading.com and here you click indicators, then scroll down. At the left bottom you will be able to see invite only script. So here we have many indicators for our personal purpose and for business. So now we are giving this MST iCore 2.0 advanced version 2023 on a subscription basis. Just click on it. Suppose if you have subscribed for MST i10 2.0, that this year we are giving as complimentary for the MST iCore 2.0, you just click on this and this indicator will be added to your chart. Hope it is clear. So now mainly we are focusing on this indicator. So if we see the lines, if it is formed once, that will not be changed. Okay, here no entry, here we got entry and target, here buy entry we got but target not reached, here sell entry perfectly we got, target hit, sell entry target hit, sell entry target hit, sell entry target hit, buy entry before target hit, market got over, here first sell activated, then SL hit, then second buy activated, target hit. So here SL hit, I mean the kind we would not get the profit on the day. So here no entry, so here first sell SL hit, second buy target hit, here buy activated target hit, yesterday also buy activated target hit. So if we see an overall, so overall if you see, you will be in a profit. See yesterday what happened, exactly buy activated and target hit. Before day also exactly buy activated target hit. Before day, previous day sell activated, we could not get the target and second buy activated target hit. So this is how we have to trade. It is very simple. You don't think that you should not get a loss. Loss will come, but it should be lesser than the profit. So now this is the currently running system. So now once we get the lines continuously straight line, then only we have to start trading. So now our trading setup is ready. So now if you don't want to give big SL, then come here and make into a very tiny SL. Very tiny SL. I show you with an example of yesterday. Yesterday what happened? Here buy got activated and you have to enable the targets. Once buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy. See here, buy got activated and immediately two targets hit. That's all. But yesterday we had posted sell entry also. So how we posted sell entry? We have observed the market that most of the time if it is opening flat, neither gap up nor gap down, then we can keep the 360 degree. So it is just an observation. Okay, you also have to observe. If you don't get properly, then follow the default session only. See here, high 46,191 and our entry 46,190 yesterday. So exactly we got sell activated here and all the targets hit. And here you can notice buy activated, SL hit. It is not so, because what we are saying, if sell activated, there is no buy at all. There is no buy at all. If you want to buy again after getting the profit from the sell, what you can do, go here in the indicator settings, you can extend the line to 3D. See here, you can extend the line to 3D. So perfectly you will get the buy entry. Otherwise I can show you one more option also. Scroll down the indicator, at the bottom you can see next support and resistance. So enable this. So here you keep 3D. Where is 3D? Here it is 3D. See here, perfectly we got one more entry. So now you have to wait here. We should not take the entry immediately once it is touching the entries, because already we are in a sell position. That is why we had taught you about R3C pattern. Okay, so whenever you get any R3C confirmation here at the support level, then you can go for the one more entry. Okay, that is what we are teaching. See, at this level, when you are keeping 1 minute time frame and watching R3C, you will get more number of R3C, and failure also more will be there. If you give 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, no, the number of R3C formed will be very less and success rate will be higher. See here, this is the first candle. We are calling it as the rejection of candle, that is RC. Then confirmation candle, CC. So R3C. Now mark the high of this candle, low of this candle, and this red candle, second candle, confirmation candle, will be retraced 50% by the next candles. Okay, at the retracement, that is at the green point, you have to take the sell entry and you can book the profit. See, perfectly it has done the target. Here also we have got the another opportunity, and here also we have got the another opportunity. So you will be getting more number of opportunities, but restrict yourself that once you booked the profit, please stay away from the market. So now once again, if you have not followed this trick, that is 360 trick, what you will be doing, you will be keeping at default settings, and you can keep in very tiny SL or tiny SL depending on you, and you will be trading here. Yesterday what happened? We missed the buy sell entry. Okay, yesterday we missed the sell entry by 10 to 15 points, but we got the buy entry, we got the target also. So we were even knowing the trick of 360 also, you will be getting profit. Without implementing the 360 trick also, you will be getting the profit. So it doesn't matter you. So keep following the indicator with the default settings. If you know some price action, apply onto this indicator to get more success ratio. Already we are getting 87.6% of success ratio, and if you apply this, you will get more profit. So this is in case of Nifty Bank. So our Nifty Bank buy entry will be 45,905. Okay, and the sell entry will be 46,228. So you can watch. So at the end of the market, I will be showing what happened in the market, whether we got profit or loss. And here also one rejection of candle is forming, R3C. If next candle is green candle, then mark both the candles high and low. Once the CC candle low is broken, go for the sell entry. So hope it is clear. There is no doubt in it. You can keep in any time frame. Okay, the value will not be changed. It is not a repainting indicator, so that is what I wanted to show you. And next thing, what we can see, I can show you Nifty. People are interested to trade in Nifty. This is gift Nifty now. We want Indian Nifty. See, yesterday what happened in Nifty? As per 360 trick, we got the entry, sell entry here, and we got the target. Suppose if we have missed the 360 trick, he got the buy entry, he got the target. The beauty of the indicator is it exactly respects the resistance zone and the supply zone. So no other supply zone will be performing like this. No other demand zone will be performing like this except our tool. So that is what we are saying. Don't waste your money without any knowledge or with false indicator. Just subscribe to our YouTube channel and enjoy the benefits. And for our YouTube subscribers, we are giving extra offer. Okay, extra discount we are giving. We are giving lifetime validity. Many things are available for you. So you can witness yourself once you have subscribed to our indicators. So this is FinNifty feature, this is FinNifty spot. So since most of the people are trading in trading in options, we are showing in options spot value. See here, Fin Nifty yesterday perfectly we got the sell entry here, and also we have got R3C pattern also. So we have got two confirmation. So people are worried about the stop loss, but see here, it is not even crossing our resistance zone. Perfectly it is from our resistance zone, it is getting reversed, and immediately after reaching our buy zone also it is getting reversed. So both the side we are getting the profit, both the side. And here the big candle is very marbozo red candle, and today possibility of getting buy entry is more. Now if it is closing in red candle and low of that candle is broken, then it will fall down. So in such situation, what we can do, we have to wait for the entry. We have to wait for the entry. It will reach here, then it will reverse back. Once it is coming back, then we have to wait for any R3C pattern, then only we have to trade. Because see this Bahubali candle. So one of the video I have seen, someone was telling about this candle, Bahubali candle. It means that there is no wick here. There is no wick. Only sellers are ruling the market here. Okay. So at any time market may fall to any extent. So that's why we have to be very careful when we get such a candles. So hope it is clear. If you have any doubts, please ask us. Please subscribe to our indicator YouTube channel and Telegram channel. Please share with everyone so that everyone will be getting benefited. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best. Wish you all happy profitable day ahead.